This is ND Machinery Center. Here we have a Gardner Denver air compressor 15 horsepower. Brand, Gardner Denver. Model number, APEX15-25A. Serial number, S482623. MFG date, 10/15. Horsepower, 15 HP. Pressure, 175 SIG. Power supply, 460 volt, 3 pH, 60 Hz. Control, Air Smart G2 control. Cooling type, Air CLD with aft cooler. Motor start, WYE-DELTA starter. Drive motor, TEAO motor. Lubricant, AEON 4000. Mounting, base mounted. Outline, 301 UCC 804. Wiring diagram, 300 UCC 546. Variations condition, 15 HP base. Have high quality, good pricing, fast shipping. Machine cleaned, tested and ready. Thank you. See you in the next video.